Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be diving into a highly requested topic, which is how to apply for the France Schengen Visa from Nigeria. If you're planning to visit France for tourism, business, or even transit purposes, this step-by-step guide will make the process super clear for you. In my previous video, I shared how to apply for the Schengen Visa from the UK, and the process is quite similar, but today we'll be specifically focusing on steps for the applicants from Nigeria. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and turn on notification so that you don't miss any of our new content. Now let's get straight into it. So the first thing we need to do is we need to log into the France Visa website. So all the links we used in this video will be provided in the description of the video. So let's continue. So we'll log in. We'll make sure our language is English. They'll create a new application. My current nationality is Nigerian, so I'll just type in Nigerian. I'll click no over here. Now place of submission is Nigeria. Visa type, short stay, less than 90 days. Main destination, France. City of submission, there are only 2 cities available, so I will choose Abuja. Now travel documents, I have an ordinary passport, so I'll click ordinary passport. Now for my travel document number, I'll just type in my travel document number over here. Now type in the date of issue. And I'll type in the expiry date. Now what are my plans? So I'm coming for tourism. So I'll select tourism. Now the main purpose of stay, tourism private visit. Now I could give my information about my trip, but if you don't have any further information, you just click verify. Now they say I need a visa, so I'll click next. And now I need to fill out my personal details. So my sex is male, I'm single. Now fill in my first and last name. Now my place of birth. So my place of birth, I'll just type it. Now date of birth, I'll just type in my date of birth. Country of birth is Nigeria, so I'll type in Nigeria. Now my NI number, I'll just type in my NI number there. Now my personal address, so I'll just fill out my address. It's in Nigeria, so I'll select Nigeria. Now my phone number, I just need to type in my phone number. Now my email address, I'll just put in my email address. Now, do I live in a country other than the current nationality? So I'm in Nigeria, so I'll click no. Are you joining? So no. So for the current job, I'm a computer engineer, so I'll just type in a job that is closest to me. I'll type in the name of my employer. just put in the address of my employer too. I'll put in the phone number of my employer. And I'll put in their email address. And I'll continue. Now, have I received a Schengen visa within the last 59 months? I'll select no. I'll click next. Now, details of my stay. So the planned date of arrival. So I want to arrive on the 1st of July. So I'll select it. And I want to leave 8th of July. Now I will select multiple entries. And I will select twice. Now, details of my stay. Tourism. Now, this is about my accommodation. So, if someone will be accommodating you, you will select this. If your company will be accommodating you, you select this option. Since I am accommodating myself, I'll select this option. Now, to get a hotel, I just need to go to booking.com. Now, just select I'm going to France. I'll select the date I'm going to France. Now they will give me the different hotels that are available. So I'll select the one I want. Once you've selected the one you want, you just book for it. So most times they will ask you to put in your card details. Once you've inputted your card details, they'll reserve the booking for you, but they won't debit you until you come around. So once they've reserved it, so they'll give you a printout which you would take to the application center. Now we're done with that. Let's just fill out this section. Now telephone number. So there will be the telephone number for the hotel. So you could always get it online. And the email address of the hotel. Now, how am I funding this trip? So if you're funding it yourself, you take it. But if someone is helping you, you'll take this other option. So select cash. Now, since I'm the one filling the form, I could just skip this section. So this is the last section. And in this section, it gives us all the documents we need. So we need the original and photocopy of our passports. We need the purpose of stay. And we need a reservation confirmation from bookings.com. Then we need details like our employment, our pay slips. Then we also need the bank statement for at least 3 months. For the accommodation, we just need to confirm we've reserved the accommodation. Travel health insurance, TLS currently offer health insurance, so we could purchase from their website directly. So now, before we submit this form, we need to go to the TLS website to confirm if there's a date available. If there's a date available, we could proceed and submit this application. But if there's no data available, we need to amend it until we get a date that's available. Now let's move on to the TLS website. So we'll select Abuja. We'll accept their requirements. Now create a new group. Can name the group anything. Now, purpose of travel, short stay, less than 90 days, tourism, primo. The reference number. Just type in our first and last name. Date of birth. State Abuja. Passport type, ordinary passport. Travel document number, you put in your travel document number. Now type in the issue date. Type in your phone number and your departure date. So that's the 1st of July 2025. And you arrive on the 1st of July 2025. And the date you are leaving will be the 8th of July 2025. Are you going to a French overseas territory? No. Have you collected your fingerprints before? No. Then you submit. To ask you if you want to add someone else. If you are a married couple, you could add them. But since you're single, click submit. Now we ask for the OTP. Now we'll type in the OTP number. And verify. Now I wanted to go in July. Now there are dates available for May. So I could pick any of these dates and confirm. Now I can add my travel insurance. So this is the website, insure.com. You can get your insurance from this company. I'm not really sure about the amount, but let us go over it together. So let's select 1st of July. And return on the 8th. So continue. No. So let's say one travel. So one traveler. So confirm. So you can see the price is roughly 42 to, let's say 100K for the insurance. Now, once you've sorted that out, come back to the TLS website and proceed for the payment. So now the application fee for the submission of your documents is roughly 44,000 naira. So click proceed. It will then ask you to pay. So you put in your card details here, and once you've paid, it will give you a confirmation slip to confirm you've paid, and you will take this along with you when going to their application center. Now, since we are done with this, let's just assume we've paid. We'll come over here. Now we're able to get the dates that we wanted. Now we'll click yes, submit, yes. Now this is the application fee for the visa. So it's roughly 90 euros, which is roughly 150,000 naira. So this is what you pay when you submit your documents. So you won't pay it now, you pay it at the application center. Then you check this and submit to the visa center. Now, they've given us a document to look over. So this is our application form. We'll print this out. Once we've printed it out, we'll sign here. Now this is the checklist of the documents we need to go with. So we need to get this signed form, the receipt of the France visa. We need our passport, that's our ordinary passport, and the photocopy, ID photograph. You could do a research about the standard of ID photograph that is needed. Now, purpose of travel through stay. So most times you could write a letter to the consulate explaining why you need to visit France and what you'll be doing in France. Now you need to provide your travel itinerary. You need to confirm that you've booked your to and fro ticket. So you need to book it before going for the application. Now you need to provide a copy of your pay slips, and you need to provide a bank statement for 3 months. Then for the hotel, I've gone over that before. So for bookings.com, they will give you a confirmation slip. You just provide it. Then for your travel insurance, I just went over this with you. So this is the travel health insurance you will need to provide. Now, once you've done this, you'll be successful with getting your visa approved. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to this channel to support me. And we'll be seeing you in the next video. Thank you.